Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send friend request on Twitter or X. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. In order to send a friend request on X, formerly known as Twitter, first of all open up the X mobile application and log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now for example, you can also just search it up, the person, or for example, if I want to send request, let me just search it up. Let's search it up. At the bottom left is the search option. Search up like any of the random persons, and for example this is the person that I want to send the friend request to. Simply tap on follow from here. Once you tap on follow, the friend request will be sent to this specific person, and that is how you can send friend request on X, formerly known as Twitter. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.